Welcome here, welcome home. This is part 3 of our 6-day ancestor meditation. Whether you're here for the first time or returning again, know that your presence matters. Rest in your breath and be here in the rhythm of your heart. Another group of ancestors stand in a circle before you, holding fruits, herbs, flowers, and food that offer healing support to your body. These offerings support clearing and any release your body needs right now. Give sight to each herb, plant, or flowering fruit that is being held out for you. Begin to build a relationship with what is here for you. And notice if there's anything you already have a relationship with, anything you already have been connecting to lately, or have been being called to meet at this time. Seeing the earth medicines in the hands of your ancestors, you can begin to gather each in your hand or come to focus on one at a time, knowing you can always come back to see their offerings again. Trust nothing will be lost no matter what you choose. With thanks, allow yourself to taste the berries before you, to smell the herbs and flowers provided for you, the plants that welcome life back into you. As you stand completely in and with the support of the earth, tall and rooted deeply here, like the cedar tree who shelters your place of home within yourself, breathe in, calling support from your ancestors and plant kin. Breathe the freshness of the air around you. The air is the breath of the earth, awakening you to this moment, and you can always come back, tuning into each plant, herb, and element that is calling to you. Your ancestors stand with you. Your hearts face one another. Thank you for listening to part 3 of our ancestor meditation. Subscribe to receive the next parts of this guided practice. Each part is designed to help you deepen, find clarity, and meet yourself again. Breathe in. Long exhale out. Come back when you're ready. Return again and remember, you are already worthy and you are already enough. Continue to breathe with the earth and honor each and every living aspect that's here within you and around you. Keep welcoming yourself here and the land itself. Is there anything that you want to offer the land? Anything that you are receiving back within your entire being, within your breath?